My video presentation is about training needs analysis, 10A forms, training plan, training facilities list, checklist, trainees record book, trainees progress sheet. My video presentation is about training needs analysis, 10A, food processing, and S2 portfolio. For the introduction, this 10A aims to gather comprehensive data of the existing competencies of food processing workers, identify the skill gaps, and determine the specific training interventions needed to bridge these gaps. The data collected will be meticulously tabulated and analyzed to provide a clear and detailed understanding of the training needs across various areas of food processing. This portfolio presents the results of both the data gathering survey and the training needs analysis 10A for the trainers of the food processing in S2. In today's dynamic food industry, the demand for skilled professionals in food processing is constantly growing to ensure that the individuals are adequately equipped to meet the evolving challenges and opportunities within this sector. A true training needs analysis or TNA is essential. This TNA is specifically designed to access the current competencies of individuals, aiming to achieve the food processing and S2 certification, a nationally recognized qualification that validates expertise in various aspects of food handling, preservation, and quality control, which we conduct a data gathering survey to the BTVT Ed FSM 3B to know the answer that they already know and do not know about food processing. This is the respondent profile summary of learner characteristics. Average grade in English. 10% of them answer 95 to above. 60% of them answer 90 to 94. 30% of them answer 85 to 89. 0% of them answer 80 to 84, 75 to 79. Average grade in math. 10% of them answer 95 to 100. 40% answer of them 90 to 94. 60% of them answer 85 to 89, and 0% of them answer 80 to 84 and 75 to 79. These represent the respondent profile summary of learner characteristics in average grade in English and average grade in math. The respondent profile summary of learner characteristics, sex distribution, 10% of them are male, 90% of them are female. Cultural background. Others, 100% or none. In this pie graph, the respondent's profile summary of learner characteristics of sex distribution, cultural background are represented in this. In the respondent profile summary of learner characteristics, in educational attainment, 100% of them answer college level. 60% of them answer visual. 30% of them answer auditory. 10% of them are kinesthetic. 0% of them are curious. 0% of them are pragmatist. And 0% of them are activist. The educational attainment, all of the respondents answer college level. And in the learning style distribution, the respondents, most of them answer visual, which is 60%, and auditory, 30%, and kinesthetic, 10%. And others are 0%. In the respondent profile summary of learner characteristics, 100% of them answer financially challenged, solo parent is 0%, working student is 0%. So the respondent answer 100% in financially challenged. For the survey results tabulated For basic competencies, 5% of them answer no. 90% of them answer yes. For the total of the questions of 120. For common competencies, 24% of them answer no, and 206% of them answer yes, for the total of 230 questions. For survey results tabulated for core competencies, 206 of the respondents answer yes, 54 of the respondents answer no, out of 206 questions. Analysis and discussion conclusion recommendation. Data gathering results based on the survey. Most respondents had an average grade of 90 to 94 or 85 to 89 or in English, and 90 to 94 or 85 to 89 in math. This means that the group has a good academic background in basic literacy and numeracy. In terms of culture, and respondents identified under the others category for educational attainment are all at the college level, showing that the group has reached higher education. For sex distribution, there were more females 9 than males. The ages range from 20 to 28 years old, which shows that the most of them are young adults. For the analysis and discussion conclusion recommendation, all respondents reported no physical disability and no previous learning experiences. When it comes to learning style, the most common were visual and kinesthetic, followed by the auditory. This means that the most learners prefer to learn visual diagrams or by doing activities. Only a few were auditory or curious learners. For other needs, 4 respondents said they are financially challenged and 1 is working student, while the rest did not report other needs. This showed that some learners may need extra support to continue their study or learning. For the analysis and discussion conclusion recommendation, training needs analysis 10A. This training needs analysis was used to check the respondents' skills in basic, common, and core competencies. Under food processing, NS2 basic competencies out of 120 possible answers, there were 115 yes and 96% and 5% no. 4%, this means trainees. My video presentation is about food processing and S2 training plan. The training plan is designed for food processing and S2 certification, covering basic, common, and core competencies. It includes theoretical knowledge and practical application with assessment to ensure competency. Competencies covered basic workplace communication, participating in meetings, expressing opinions, common, food safety sanitation, PPE, measuring devices, math computation, GMP, environmental policies, core, food processing methods, salting, curing, smoking, fermentation, pickling, sugar concentration, drying, dehydration, thermal application. As you can see in the picture, this is the example of training plan for food processing and S2 for core competency. As you can see in the box, there are trainees training requirements, training activity, tasks, mode of training, staff, facilities, tools and equipments, venue, assessment method, date and time. That includes in the box for each row. It represents the answers and the results of the respondents in each box. For the basic competency, common competency, and core competency, here are the summarized answers and results of the respondents. Training activities. demonstrations, visual aids, PowerPoint, poster videos, hands-on practice guided observation, resources, technical expert specific tools and equipment for each competency and facilities like kitchen and labs. Overall training approach, the training heavily relies on the dual training system, emphasizing practical hands-on learning implemented by visual aids, PowerPoint videos, poster illustrated guides, and direct observation by technical experts. Assessment is comprehensive, combining practical demonstration, written tests, oral questioning, and portfolio submissions to ensure trainees achieve proficiency in all aspects of food processing and S2. This training plan provides a comprehensive learning experience combining theoretical knowledge with practical skills to ensure you are well prepared for a career in food processing. The provided training plan is designed for a single trainee, respondent, or trainee to achieve food processing NC2 certification, indicating a one-on-one or individualized training approach. By following this comprehensive training plan, trainees can gain the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in the food processing industry, contributing to food safety, quality, and economic development. The training plan for food processing NS2 is a structured program designed to equip individuals with the necessary skills and knowledge to become certified food processing professionals. It covers a wide range of competencies from basic workplace communication to advanced food preservation techniques, ensuring trainees are well prepared for the demands of the food processing industry. Food processing NS2 signifies that the trainee has achieved the competency standards required for this level in the food processing sector. The primary goal of training plan is to provide trainees with the skills to perform essential tasks in food processing, ensuring food safety, quality, and adherence to industry standards. That's all for today's video presentation. Thank you for watching and listening.